So guys, this phone wasn't charging, and when you examine the ribbon, there is a bond. So what I actually did, I clean it up with some rubbing alcohol. I clean up the connector as well, and also the back of this. I also clean up the end of the connector in the corner here. Something just burnt out and create some burn on the flex. The ribbon itself is actually burnt as well. So after cleaning this up, and we reconnect the ribbon, ensure that the battery is connected, and we plugged in the charger. Then we got the phone to charge. We got the phone to charge without any problems. At first we were getting that gray signal blinking, but now we get the phone to charge. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, it's not charging, and one of those ribbon can create a problem. Well, this one is for the LCD screen, and this one is for the charging board. So we were able to get this phone to charge. As you can see, the burnt mark on the flex. I do not know what caused this issue, what caused the connector to burnt out, but definitely it could have been that the ribbon got hot. It could have been because of the type of the charger the individual was using. So definitely so I just plugged out the charger and plug it back in. Definitely we are getting the phone charged, and that is what is important. You can see the 2%. So yeah, I am going to put back up the phone. This one is a A50. So guys, do like, share and subscribe.